This ship is awesome! Now, where's that button that makes blueberry muffins?
There is no button like that. I never even considered that.
Are you sure? It'd be really nice to wake up in the morning, push a button, and have muffins. That'd be great. Wink, wink.
Damn it, there is no muffin button!
Darn. So, is it ready to take off then, Dr. Briefs?
Goodness, no. I still have to install the cappuccino machine.
But I don't even drink coffee!
It's not coffee, Goku, it's cappuccino. Now stay here, I need to grab the pots from my shop. Make sure not to touch anything, like the gravity controls, or the start button. The start button. Don't touch the start button. Now I'll be right back.
Okie dokie. I wonder if this is the button.